This is one of my favorite condiments. It's a sugar-free habanero jelly. It just goes perfectly with the charcuterie boards. And it takes about 10 minutes to make. Thanks for joining me for my habanero jelly. It's a nice spicy jelly. It's got a little bit of heat. It's sugar-free. It's very easy to make. This is going to take about 10 minutes to make. And the recipe for this is below in the comments section. So I've got some white vinegar, just plain white vinegar, 3/4 of a cup. This is my standard recipe. I'm just going to bring this up to a boil. Okay, my vinegar is going to come up to a boil in a second. I've got 3 habaneros. If you don't have habaneros, you can use Scotch bonnet, and I've diced them. So I'm going to put them in. I seeded, cleaned them, diced them. And I've got a 1/4 cup of, I went with yellow pepper, sweet pepper, but red pepper is good too for contrast. And I've got 2 tablespoons of pineapple, fresh pineapple that I've minced up. And I know that, you know what, pineapple has a little bit of sugar in it, but after 4.5 years, a tiny little bit of pineapple is not going to hurt when I put some jelly on my charcuterie. We're just going to bring that up to a boil. There you go. That took about a minute to bring that up to a boil. I just turned off the heat. I'm going to add in some Splenda. And you can use Allulose or erythritol. This is basically an erythritol. It's a stevia. So I'm going to stir that in. I've got 2 tablespoons of beef gelatin. And I'll stir that in. There, I like that. Now I've got some little 250 ml jars, and I sterilized them. And we're going to pack these jars while it's hot. About a 1/2 inch from the top. It's starting to get gooey already. If you've made a mess on the lid, make sure you wipe it off before you seal it. And that's going to sit out, and about every hour or so I'll flip it upside down so that the habaneros don't fall to the bottom. But this is really good. This is a pineapple habanero salsa. If the little bit of pineapple fits into your macros, go for it. This is going to be really good on a charcuterie board with some pate, and I'm going to serve it with some of my extra crispy keto crackers. There you go. There's a habanero jelly. Very easy to make. That took like 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.